so I just want to vlog the experience of how we prepare for a hurricane. We need to get some groceries today. Right now the day is super sunny out. I'm gonna show you guys. We're headed to my little cousin's birthday. I'm super excited to pick out a gift for her.
Todo.
We're on our way to get the gift. I don't know what we're getting her. I'm trying to figure out and remember what cartoon she likes, but I can't remember. I know she used to like Peppa Pig, but I don't think that's her favorite anymore. This used to be my favorite. All of the babies. You're explaining a lot. Que a ella le gusta mucho dibujar y eso. Fake nails. I have no idea what kind of toy she likes. I know she has a lot of dolls. Ay, mira, eso le encantaría. Designing her own dress. In this thing to make ice cream. I would have really liked this as a kid. Favorite section is the sales section. Let's see what they have here. So here we have the little gift. We ended up getting her a puzzle. Got her the princess one, and then we got her the little ice cream maker machine, like Play-Doh. Getting there a little bit late, but we're still going. No. Hola! Hola.
De ser un duende sombrero. Bueno, la reina duende.
¿De qué es tu bizcocho?
Francia.
¿Y qué es Francia?
País.
¿Y esto qué es?
La Constitución.
¡Qué bella!
Hola, hola.
Because we need to go pick up my brother and get him to some place that he needs to go. We're on Alerta Roja. Honestly, I'm not sure if I'm gonna have to go to the hospital on Monday. It's pretty windy outside. I don't know if you guys can tell, but it's pretty windy. It's currently 7:30. We were at the birthday party. One of my aunts said that she read that the hurricane was not gonna pass over to my country, which is the Dominican Republic. I don't know if I've mentioned that in this video, but I've been looking online and I can't find anything that says that. I think we're on red alert. Alerta roja. At Burger King getting some dinner because they're going to another birthday party for another one of my cousins, but I'm not going, so I'm getting my dinner from Burger King. Then I end up going to a grocery store, so I think we're gonna go tomorrow morning. Hey guys, so it is the next day and this is my outfit to go to the grocery store. I don't think I showed you this mirror that I got a few days ago for my new dresser. Yesterday we ended up not going to the grocery store. The hurricane is supposed to arrive at the Dominican Republic, which is where I live, tonight. So my mom and I are gonna go. Okay, she's calling me, so let's go. clinical rotations for tomorrow and Tuesday, and they also canceled all classes for universities and schools in my city. So far today it hasn't rained a lot. It rained a few hours ago and it was really light, at least in the area where I live, but we're expecting the hurricane to arrive tonight. Yeah, we're trying to get our groceries early today, like early afternoon. It's currently 3 o'clock, so that we can be at home early in the evening. We want to get some canned foods. Daddy, go back. Oh, qué cutie. That's my favorite Christmas, one of my favorite Christmas movies. Oh, how cute. I really thought there was going to be more people here today because when we were out yesterday we saw really long lines outside of different grocery stores, but I guess people did their shopping yesterday or at the end of last week. Pretty clear out today, at least in this grocery store. We're gonna see because I think we're gonna make another stop at another one that's near our house. These are so soft. This is so cute. Oh my gosh. Spinach. So cozy, but it's too early to celebrate Christmas. Protein bread. It's jam-packed in here. Se llevaron casi todo el pan. Some soap. We just got home. It's currently 6 p.m. It's already getting kind of chilly outside. I got the pajamas because these look super comfy. They were on sale and I thought that these would be perfect for this next couple of days. They're in a size large because they didn't have size small or medium, but I just have to adjust it with this lavender one. So cute. The super soft lounge tops. One in gray, another one in lavender. So I'm gonna change into that in 3, 2. So cute and comfy. I'll show you guys the pants. They're big, but honestly I don't even care because I'm just going to wear this at home. Making some hot cocoa because it's getting pretty cold. We're kind of cold. Then I remembered I was vlogging, so I might as well just show you guys what I use. I have a pretty healthy recipe. I just used some unsweetened cocoa powder, packets of this no-calorie sweetener from PriceSmart. This is the member selection one. This almond milk, unsweetened as well. Then I add just a pinch of salt. It's currently 9 p.m. and I'm curled up in bed already. It's not raining or anything, it's just a little bit cold, but they said in the news that it's supposed to come at around 2 a.m. Right now, I'm just going to cuddle up in bed and I think I'm gonna watch a movie or something. I don't know if I'm gonna make like an update vlog, but stay tuned. You guys stay safe out there and I'll see you in my next vlog. Thank you so much for watching.